Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss what is the Playwright's CLI commands, okay, and how this will be useful in the Playwrights. Okay, so I have some commands here, right? So first of all, mbn exe Java. So these commands I am going to show for the Java project. Okay, so here mbn will helpful. So first of all, you need to create a Maven project. Okay, like I have created here the Maven projects. If you don't know how to create, go to the first video. I have also added in description. You can watch first video how we create a Maven project. Once Maven project is created, copy the path of the Maven project. Okay, like this, or directly go to the folder here. So this is the Maven project created. Already I have created. Then here open the CMP. So what you will do, you will create a Maven project. Okay. Then you will go with your folder and open the command prompt, navigate the path of the your project. This is the my project path. Okay. So now I have here first command mbn CLI. So this is the useful command CLI which will helps to run the playwrights command. Okay, so there is a command which will help to install the browsers. Okay, so I have one command mbn exe and then install command here, right? So for each command we need to pass this com.microsoft.playwright.CLI. Then we need to pass the commands. So let me run and you will see it will download and install all the browsers. Copy this, paste it here, enter. Yeah, it started running the command and you can see it started the Chromium browser to download. It will download the local system. Okay, so by default it will download under your user folder. User folder, app data, local, MS Playwright. So under the local, it will create a MS Playwright folder. Okay, and there it will download the required browsers. So currently this is downloading the Chrome browser, Chromium browser version. This it will download latest version. Currently downloading 105.0.5195.19. Okay, so first it will download the Chromium browsers, then it will download the Firefox and WebKit. All the three browsers it will download. Here, this is downloaded all the three browser, Chromium, Firefox and WebKit. Okay, WebKit is downloaded here, Firefox is downloaded here, and Chromium is downloaded here. So all the three browsers it will download when we run the CLI command and pass the argument install. Okay, let me remove these files and run the different command. So if we want to suppose the run only the WebKit, then we can run the command, same command CLI, but here we need to pass install and as argument WebKit. So now it will only download and install the WebKit under the local directory. Okay, user local directory. So now you can see this started downloading the WebKit. Okay, and it will take few seconds and then it will complete. Yeah, downloaded successfully. You can see only WebKit it's downloaded. Similar type, if we pass here the Firefox, it will download only the Firefox. Now it started downloading the Firefox. Yeah, Firefox download is completed. So what commands we can pass during the installation? Okay, you can see if I run the help, you will see all the options. we need to pass double hyphen. Okay, you can see here install the default browser. We can pass the install Chrome, Firefox. So in that case, this will install the Chrome as well as the Firefox. Also, we have some custom browsers supports Chromium, Chrome, Chrome Beta, MS Edge, MS Edge Beta, MS Dev, Firefox, WebKit. So these options we can pass during the installations. It depends upon the which browser we want to install. Accordingly, we can pass the flags. Okay, now let's move on the next command. There is a commands codegen and pass the URL. Like here I'm passing the wikipedia.org. So it will generate, it will open the browsers and the Wikipedia URL, and it will start and run the commands for the playwright recording mode. So codegen means we can use this feature to record to capture the text. Okay, so by default it will run the Chromium browsers, but Chromium browser is not downloaded. That's why we are getting error here. Okay, so it's not found the Chromium driver. So what we can do, we can install first Chromium browser, then we can run this command, codegen command. Yeah, this will, we need to pass the Chromium. Yeah, Chromium browser started downloading. You can see it will take few seconds. Then we can run the codegen command. The Chromium browser downloaded. You can see here. Okay. Now if I run the codegen command, it will start working. Yeah, it's open. Two windows. One is where it open the Wikipedia URL, and second is the playwright inspector. Okay, so if I will perform any click action, it will automatically capture here. So I have already created one video where I have given example how we record the test cases, test script. Okay, so now let me go with other commands. So this is the codegen command, and here sometime we need to also store the some authentication. Okay, like we can log in into the application, then save the authentication session token, then we can also do from the command line. So by default it will run the Chromium browser, and then it will also give option to save the session into auth.org file. Okay, now let me open the orange HRM URL. So I have opened this URL. Yeah, enter username like admin. Password is also admin123. Click on login button. So you can see I have logged in here, and now let me close this command. So press the Control C. Okay, closed. And if I go at the root of the project, okay, we will see one file. This is auth.json file. So in this file, it is captured the authentication token of the orange HRM. Okay, cookies is added here. Now, for the next command, we can use to run the application. Okay, like here we can also pass the orange HRM URL, this URL. So it will automatically open with So it will automatically open with the cookie we saved, okay? Because we are passing here open command, load storage auth.json. So it will load authentication.js file, auth.js file, JSON file, which we downloaded in the previous command. Yeah, so now it's open the URL. Now you can see we don't need to log in. It will not open the login window. It will directly open the dashboard page. Okay. So we have next command which will open the codegen with the auth.json file. So in this case, also we don't need to log in the application. Okay, there is a one command where we can pass the here's open. This will open the URL only. Open the application URL. By default, it will open the browsers and URL on the Chromium application. But if we want to open the URL on WebKit, then here we need to pass the WK. Let me run this command. Passing WK, so it will open the WebKit browser and then it will navigate the Wikipedia URL. You can see Wikipedia URL is open here. Okay, let's see the next command. Next command, we have open command where we can pass -- device and give the device name. So it will open the URL for with corresponding device port browser. So now it will open browser for iPhone 11. You can see. Next command, we have command here open viewport size. So it will open the size 900 to 500, colors scheme equal to dark, and then twitter.com application. Here now you can see this is open the application in for 900 to 500 viewport. Just close this. If we want to take the screenshot of the application, then we can pass here argument screenshot and which application we are getting, like iPhone 11, colors scheme dark, wait part timeout 3 seconds. This is 3000 in millisecond equal to 3 seconds. So after the page is loaded, it will wait up to 3 seconds, then it will capture the screenshot. Okay, this is twitter.com. This is the application. This application URL will open and its screenshot will save in the twitter.iphone.png. So let me run. So we need to give this in double quotes. Okay, from the screenshot. Okay, to means all argument we need to give in double quotes, and internal values we can put in the single quote. Now it's running. Navigating the twitter.com URL, waiting for 3 seconds. Okay, 3000 millisecond, and then capture the screenshot and saved into the Twitter iphone.png file. Let's see. So here Twitter iphone.png file is generated, and you can see this is the twitter.com application. Okay, next command, if we want to capture the full screenshot, okay. Also, if we want to capture the screenshot, not the for the mobile devices, we can also remove this, okay, and use only the commands capture the screenshot, like screenshot, wait for timeout, application URL, and then file name, PNG file name. Okay, let me run now this command. Copy this, save here. So now running the command, you can see this is navigating the URL, waiting for 3 seconds. Okay, then it will capture the screenshot, and you can see twitter.png file is saved here. Now you can see this is captured the whole screen, not the mobile device. Next, if we want to capture the full screenshot, then we can pass here the screenshot -- full page. So this will capture the full page of the application. Yeah, so here again we need to put in double quotes this whole value and run the command. So this is running in headless mode. Yeah, full screenshot for the Wikipedia. You can see full screenshot is captured here. The page, any page for the PDF file, then we can use this command. Okay, at the end we need to pass here, starting we need to pass PDF URL and PDF file name.